Welcome to saiclasses. Today we are going to learn electron dot structure. Okay, in this series we are learning electron dot structure of different compounds. So today we are going to learn electron dot structure of methane. In the previous video we have discussed electron dot structure of ethane. You can watch the video in the playlist. Let's start. To draw the electron dot structure of the given compound, first of all, we must know chemical formula of the given compound, electronic configuration of elements present in the compound, find the central element of the compound, and draw the structural formula, and in the last, electron dot structure. Okay, so these are the steps to draw the electron dot structure of the given compound. Chemical formula of the methane is CH4. Okay, so in the methane, one carbon is attached with 4 hydrogen atoms. So there is one carbon atom attached with 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay, 4 hydrogen atoms. So carbon is the central element of the compound. Okay. Carbon requires 4 electrons to complete its octet. Okay, so there are 4 electrons are present in the outermost shell of the carbon compound. Now we will find electronic configuration of the elements present in the methane. First element is carbon. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Hydrogen 1s1. Okay. So number of electrons in the outermost shells are: carbon has 4 electrons present in the outermost shell. This is outermost shell 2s2, 2p2. Okay, and hydrogen has only one shell, and in the shell it has 1 electron. So we can see carbon requires 4 more electrons and hydrogen require 1 electron to complete their octets. Okay, carbon shares its 4 electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms and form single covalent bond with each hydrogen atom. Okay, so now after knowing electronic configuration, we can draw the structural formula of the given compound. Methane is a saturated hydrocarbon because there are single bonds between the elements present in the methane, carbon and hydrogen. Okay, and methane belongs to alkane group. Alkane is saturated hydrocarbon. There is a single bond between carbon atoms. Now this is the structural formula of methane. Carbon is the central element and attached with 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay, and between carbon and hydrogen there is single bond. We can see single bonds. Okay, then after this structural formula we can draw electron dot structure of methane very easily. So this is the electron dot structure of methane. In this, carbon share its 1 electron, okay, with the hydrogen atom, okay, and form single bond between carbon and hydrogen. So in this way, carbon share its 4 electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms. So this is the electron dot structure of methane. Okay. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel saiclasses. See you in the next video with our new topic. Till then, goodbye.